Cabinet Minister Dasakiat Bhalamari, former Home Minister HDR Lingdor and former legislator Mahendra Rapsang were among the candidates who filed their nominations for the ensuing assembly polls in the state on Friday. Both Lamare and Rapsang, who are contesting on an NPP ticket, filed their nomination from Nongkrem and West Shillong respectively. However, former Home Minister who is contesting from the UDP ticket filed his nomination from Sokyong constituency. The Congress candidates who filed their nominations include Nehru Suding from Pinursla, Danisan Kurba from Mauplang, former NGP leader Marbut Khar from Maulai and Gopal Stone from Mausinram. Former MLA Don Kapar Masar filed his nomination as an independent candidate from Pinursla constituency.
The moment I'm telling you now, this year election will be a very peaceful election. We have taken care everything in consideration. This is the first constituency where the CCTV has been connected to sensitive area directly to the police station. So that issue of security, issue of it's been taken care of.
It is the voice of the people now. The voice of people. They are crying. They are wanting that the party of the regional entity should rule the state now. The love and affection that the people has once again returned back to them. And definitely I will win.
In Jaintia Hills, NPP candidate from Clear